This was our Airbnb in Winchester, Kentucky. This property dates back to 1800s when the master house was built. This little cottage was servant quarters and rental properties, and then over the years it fell completely apart. The cottage was rebuilt in 2005 with completely all repurposed supplies from the roof, ceiling, walls, floors, and they kept the historic design of the chimney. The entire cottage is also furnished with all repurposed items, which gives the cottage the authentic vintage feeling. Molly grows an organic vegetable garden. They have 30 plus chickens that are completely free range, 10 beehives, a cat, and 2 dogs. You are just walking distance of historic downtown Winchester, surrounded by Kentucky Horse Park, Kinlan and Rupp Arena, Fort Boonesborough, Red River Gorge, and the Kentucky Bourbon Trail. Just a short drive to the Mountain Parkway, gateway to the Appalachia.